Can an LLC get tax exempt? Yes, an LLC can become tax exempt, but only if it is formed and approved as a nonprofit organization. To qualify, the LLC must be organized exclusively for charitable, religious, educational, or similar purposes, and it cannot distribute profits to its members. The LLC must apply for 501c3 status or another type of tax-exempt status with the IRS. This requires filing Form 1023 or Form 1023EZ for smaller organizations and meeting strict IRS requirements, including specific language in the operating agreement about nonprofit purposes and asset distribution upon dissolution. Most regular LLCs do not qualify for tax-exempt status because they are for-profit businesses. Only nonprofit LLCs with IRS approval can avoid federal income taxes and allow donors to make tax-deductible contributions. Zen Business can help you set up the right structure if your goal is to form a nonprofit LLC and apply for tax-exempt status. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.